How to delete transfer history from Remitly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you how you can delete your transfer history from Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have the Remitly application installed, you've made a transaction, you want to delete those transfer history from Remitly. Is it possible? Well, unfortunately, to give you an answer for this video, the answer is completely no, because Remitly or any of the other payment sort of applications will not let you delete your transfer history. Your history of your transactions always needs to be there for the proof of any sorts of fraud or security scam later on. It's there for security purposes, and it's against the policy of any payment applications. Now this is the same with Cash App, Venmo, MoneyGram, Remit, or any of the other mobile banking applications as well that you might have. The payment application will never let you delete the transfer history, because next time if you're just facing something and if Remitly is getting in charge of it, they have to let them know that there was this sort of transaction at this date at this given period of time. So I hope this video helped you understand a question as to whether or not you can delete your transfer history from Remitly. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.